What is up? It is Jordan from Buy 9 to 5 helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. And in this video, I'm going to be helping you step by step with how to make money on YouTube without making any videos. So something pretty exciting this weekend. I'm actually going to be getting married, and then I will be leaving for Jamaica for about a week and a half. So really looking forward to that. That'll be a lot of fun. So because of that, actually, I know I've been saying I'm going to be moving the tube monetization and automation program up to $497 from the current $247 that it's at right now. So I'm going to be pushing that until I get back from Jamaica. So I'm going to have a countdown timer on the sales page. You'll have until I get back from Jamaica to go ahead and get that for $247 before it moves up to $497. So that's a big 2-week warning. I'm going to put out a couple videos for you throughout the week. And so after that, I don't want to hear anything about it. You guys will have as much warning as you need. All right, so let's get into it. So some really cool things that I found. As you guys know, I'm always studying YouTube. And so a really interesting thing that I saw here is actually called knee hockey. So apparently these Quinn Boys TV literally created this knee hockey. And so all they do is make knee hockey videos. So as you can see right here, 1.4 million views. So if we go ahead and take a look at this video, you'll see they're literally just playing knee hockey. And so really interesting. What's cool is they already have 21 million views. So they've probably only made, I don't know, 30 of these over the last couple years. And so they're making some really pretty good money from just doing this. So always think about ideas, not just, how you can copy and repost videos or, use videos that are already created, but what you can do in your own life that maybe you're already doing that's unique, right? And I'm going to have more examples of that as well, but just things that you're already doing and think of it from a different perspective. Like, how can I, maybe this is unique enough. Let's look on YouTube and see, is there an opportunity there? For instance, if you guys have seen on Instagram, which you guys should be following me there if you're not, I posted a video of a picture of my Spider motorcycle. Which I might do in a future video or something. But that's another thing that's really unique, but not a lot of people have it. Not a lot of people make videos on it. So I could definitely make videos on that as well. And, follow me on Instagram too, because I'm going to be posting some of the Jamaica stuff that I do there as well. Here's the next idea right here. So this is crazy. So as you guys know, NHL season just started, and NHL 22 just came out. And so not a lot of people make videos on NHL 22, but it is a popular game. So a lot of people watch videos on it, but not that many people make them. So this guy has like no subs, right? And he just comes out with this one video, NHL 22 versus NHL 14 quick comparison. So all he does is take a 30-second clip from 22 and then a 30-second clip from 14, and that's it. And, the people in the comments go wild because they want to make comments about either, wow, it looks a lot better, or wow, it looks the same, or whatever. But it's literally a 52-second video that got 32,000 views out of nowhere, okay? And the game was not yet released when he made this video. So think about that. Like, if a video game comes out that, is popular, but it's not like, it's not like freaking Fortnite and stuff like that, where everyone makes a video on it, you can get a ton of views really fast, especially if you're one of the first ones to post a video on it. So like, for instance, NHL 22 new Stanley Cup celebration. So all this guy did was record the Stanley Cup celebration, and he got 58,000 views on it, okay? 58,000 views in a little over a week, okay, just by posting Stanley Cup celebration. Now, how easy is that? Now, that's because he didn't just put, NHL 22 gameplay or whatever. It's something people wanted to see, the new Stanley Cup celebration on next-gen PS5. So you just record it, and then you upload it. And then, look, 58,000 views already, and I'm sure that's counting pretty quickly. So those are the ideas you need to think of, things that you're already doing, like, I'm playing this video game. Maybe I can make a video on something that hasn't really been done too much, and just post that and see what happens, right? The worst thing that happens is you don't get any views. The best thing that happens is you end up making $10,000 off a video, which is very, very possible if you do this correctly. So now we'll go to the real world. So this is an interesting example. So this channel just started, from what I see, about 10 months ago, the wide world of stadiums. So all he does is comment over and show pictures and pan the pictures of every sports arena for NHL, and then talks over it. So he gives a couple of, facts and things like that about the stadium and just kind of reads over it. So either you can do that with your phone or you can hire a voiceover for really cheap, $5, $10, something like that. And then all you do is grab the pictures, put it in an editor, and then pan it. And it's really freaking easy to make these videos. And so if we go ahead and look at this channel, you'll see sort by most popular, like 472,000 right here. 386,000 right here, and you'll see he already has 7 million views, and he's only been doing this for 10 months. And he hasn't even made that many videos, but, well, he has made quite a few, but, so he's working hard, and as you can see, because he's being consistent, working hard, and he has an idea that hasn't really been done yet, he's doing very, very well. And so really quickly, I want to give a shout out to bestchange.com. So a really awesome sponsor of ours. As I said, I've been getting into e-currency a lot lately. And if you are, this is the best place to go. So you can see all the exchange rates from all of the popular, reliable exchangers, and equips you with all the information you need to select the best exchange to transfer your money. So if you want to know, give Ripple, get back, Dogecoin, right? You can find out what all that is, so you can make the best decisions, save money with your e-currency, and make the smartest decisions. It's going to help you ultimately make money. And so as you can see, they've been around for 14 years, which is really freaking cool, right? 14 years. So I have the link down in the description. So if you're into e-currency as well, this is definitely where you should be going. All right. So as you can see too, if you go NFL all stadiums, and you'll see that they're like ranked first, right? Which is really cool. And if we look right here, TFC Stadiums does the same sort of thing. So this is where they're getting their ideas, right? So, but this one does it even better. 3.6 million views right there. NFL Stadiums Then and Now, that's a really cool idea, right? And it's really easy to make because you can find easily pictures or clips from, the stadium before, and then pictures and clips for the stadium after. So it's really easy to find this stuff. And then just do a little bit of commentary over the pictures. Or if you don't even want to do commentary, you can just add text over it and get the same point across as well. If you do it with music and stuff, then it can still be an entertaining video. But really good idea. So as you can tell, this channel is definitely basically copying this channel, right? But you can see that this one's still growing as well. So if you think, if there's already a channel on a certain topic, I can't do that topic because it's already been done. That's completely false. There is enough viewers that you can do something very similar to another channel and still get a really big piece of the pie. And if you can make it just 1% better, then that's all the better. Last one right here. So as you can see, this channel basically has barely any subs, barely any views. But if you look right here, 71,000 views 6 days ago. Once again, NHL 22, right? Because why? There's not that many videos on it. Look, there's no cool thumbnail here at all. But because of the idea and because of the title, I love this deek. Like, it's 58-second video, and it's obviously a cool deek. So why would I not want to watch it? Right? So you're going to click on it, you're going to watch it, you're going to see this clip, and it's crazy. He just put a little music on it, does the deek right there. That's pretty sick, actually, top left corner. And that's it. So, 71,000 views on a video like that, that's pretty freaking impressive. And so that's what you want to do, is just show these clips, right? And just like and you don't even necessarily need to be the one who had done it, right? For all I know, he found that from somewhere else or from YouTube or whatever and just made that a little clip. But obviously, most of those subs that he just got probably came from that video right there. So some really good ideas here. The point being, you need to be trying. If you're not trying, you're not succeeding. So that's it for this